Good afternoon and welcome to the planning briefing for 3 July from Missoula, Montana. All right, our key points: moderate to heavy showers and thunderstorms are generally east of US 93 for tomorrow and a little bit into Saturday, and then a warming, drying trend after that through Tuesday. All right, looking at our weather threat matrix, we're highlighting the Bitterroot Valley in southwest Montana for that potential for some embedded thunderstorms and heavy rain. And everywhere else, it'll be generally moderate showers or thunderstorms. And then Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, not so bad. All right, this has low end precipitation forecast. Just remember that this will be convective in nature. So even though we're showing a little potential for any type of precipitation in the Libby, Yak, or far northwest Montana, a nice little cell going through here, and you could see up to 1/10 of an inch of rain. Also elsewhere, don't take these numbers as gospel truth. Just remember, in a convective situation, there'll be areas that will have more or less than this. And this is the high end. I'm only showing you this. I don't think everyone's going to get this high end. I don't think there's a very good chance for widespread precipitation in northwest Montana. But I wanted to show this because for the mountains, a couple good showers, and this is the potential for the forecast. All right. As these showers first come through during the afternoon, we're thinking a line segment would show up, and this is real good for producing strong winds. So this is Lemhi County, Idaho, and southwest Montana, and this is where the probability of 40-mile-an-hour gusts are as this line segment, if it does develop, could potentially put out those winds. Once we get into the precipitation part of the forecast, I think the threat of winds will die off quickly. All right, the temperature trend, you can see normal to just slightly below normal temperatures, and then we have that warm up as the week progresses. The min RHs will correspond to that. Min RHs are a little bit high here, but as we start warming, we begin to dry. And I thought this was interesting. High pressure starts to develop on Monday, Tuesday, and we will start to see a decrease in those max RH recoveries. Now, by Wednesday, there were a couple of models there trying to put a system along the Canadian border. So we'll have to watch and see if this actually comes to pass. All right, that's bad. Precipitation potential. Once the system is gone on Saturday, our current forecast does not have any precipitation, but keep watching for Wednesday, especially in northwest Montana, if that system develops along the border. Thunderstorm potential mimics the precipitation potential. Once we're past this system, there doesn't look to be any thunderstorms. All right, 8 to 14 day outlook, above normal temperatures, and we do have northwest Montana in that above normal precipitation, and that is in case that scenario where that system develops along the border happens. Well, all right. I hope everyone has a great 4th of July. Be careful with the fireworks. It is dry out there, and our next scheduled briefing will be July the 6th.